Posible po bang, could you please issue an immigration lookout bulletin order ngayong, bukod dun sa pag-confirm ng BI, ngayong may subpoena order na po ang Senate? Pwede po bang mag-issue ng ILBO kay Apollo Kibuloy?
With the issuance of the ILBO, and since it's now an ongoing investigation, the DOJ can now issue an immigration lookout bulletin order. But just caveat lang po, Madam Chair, kasi po ang ILBO, it's not meant to prevent the subject from leaving the country. Kung matatandaan niyo po, dati ho kasi meron kaming department order na in-issue para sa mga watchlist tsaka whole departure order, but this was declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court. So ito pong ILBO, it's just a way of monitoring the subject of the order, but not to prevent the subject from leaving the country. So ang maaari lang pong gawin nito is i-monitor ng ating immigration officers yung movement po ng tao. So in case dumaan sila sa immigration counter, they just take note of yung itinerary niya, where the subject will travel. But apart from that, it will not prevent the subject from leaving the country.
Wala po kayong official na kaalaman dun sa isang balitang lumabas na di umano ay lumipad na siya or tumakas papuntang ibang bansa?
Tama po, wala po sa records namin yun. Based on our records po, as of to date, ang last po na flight ni Apollo Kibuloy po ay dumating po siya noong July 22, 2023. So, based on our records, nandito po siya.